and to close this learning game development in Godot stream. Okay, this is the beginning of the video. And I've got here what I've been doing anyway. I was not doing any tutorials. I was looking through the demo projects and templates for Godot. And at the beginning I was inspecting the default, the basic folder project structure to get a grasp of how the projects are organized. And then I've looked into more specific few projects in detail, went through the assets, demos and templates. That was done in the beginning to find out about project structure. We got in an hour after, in an hour in the stream, a short intermission musical bit. Created a default empty project just by selecting new project to make sure how it looks when the Godot creates just the basic files for the project. And then I've decided to select create test the demo 3D, and it's really good looking demo. Let's see how it looks. Here it is. Here is the Godot 3D demo. It's a higher frame rate. This is teleported from another computer, just 30 frames or less. So this is how it looks in debugging mode. Is there any more gameplay of it? No. Well, let's have a look, a few more moments on the 3D first person. There are these real bright areas, shooting, encountering enemies. This is the moment when the engine is running in debug, caching shaders and whatever, processing the effects in debug mode. As they get rendered, they are cached and reused, animations and those things. I can't remember right away what all the templates and demos I tested. I've tested some of the basic 2D templates. This was interesting demo with the 3D in 2D. And I was curious. Here you can see on the left what it takes into this project to have a 2D scene showing a 3D model animated, and it's running 2D animation here and having this model in runtime rotating. I could count about less than 10 lines of code going into this. All is handled through the nodes system to implement. There are two scenes. One is 3D model that is brought into 2D scene as a child node, and that's generally it. I've checked few 2D. In detail you can check the full stream recording. I've checked few grid-based movement systems for Godot, and I was inspecting sources for the version Godot 3.6. If you want to see more, just check the full stream until I get the more condensed, compact, shorter versions of the video. For the full stream, there's often a link in this recapitulation video. There is often a link in the description for a full or a link to my website, where I actually later on publish links for the specific topics. And this is a demo of a clone of Necrodancer, Crypt of the Necrodancer, done in Godot. This is a good example of sound and action with effects in one project. One can learn a lot from here. And last, at the end, I've done a few more. I've actually went in more closer in detail through the assets available on the web page, and in the through the Godot Engine also asset library available. I didn't notice that some things are missing in the asset libraries while I was looking through the asset library projects explorer in the Godot itself, and also checking it on the website. There might be some discrepancies here and there, what's available. Maybe the website is better reference. And at the end, luckily, I've checked this demo. This is demo. Retroish, pixely looking 3D arena. And I like it because I have here things I might reuse, done pretty simply, shooting and spawning. So that's all. Thanks for stopping by. The recapitulation is done. I can hit the stream marker so I know where to cut it. And closing words. Any comments, chats? No? Yes? You like this? You like game development stuff? For the outro, switch to this capture and do some self-promo. My landing page at -adoga.net, you'll find all the links. All the info is on my website, nowhere else. Learn everything. What I do, what I provide from my website, contacts, digital collectibles, articles, links to other platforms, socials, You'll find all of it there. And going to the messy outro scene, which I didn't arrange for the 720p resolution. It's still like it's supposed to look on 1080p. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good time. Rest of the day, night. Cheers.